Welcome to our video on exploring different flavors and varieties of vegan meal replacement shakes. In this video, we will take you on a journey through a wide range of delicious vegan shakes that can serve as a convenient and nutritious meal option, especially for those following a plant-based diet. Get ready to discover a world of innovative and satisfying flavors. In this scene, we will unbox and taste test a popular brand X vegan meal replacement shake. Join us as we examine the packaging, ingredients, and take the first sip to experience its unique flavor profile. You'll get a first-hand look at what makes this shake stand out from the rest. In this scene, we will dive into the world of flavors available in vegan meal replacement shakes. From classic chocolate and vanilla to exotic options like matcha and ginger, there is no shortage of variety. We will explore the taste, texture, and aroma of each flavor, giving you an idea of what to expect when trying these shakes. Did you know that vegan meal replacement shakes can offer a wide range of nutritional benefits? In this scene, we will discuss the key nutrients found in these shakes, such as protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. We will also highlight their role in supporting a balanced diet and overall well-being. One of the great things about vegan meal replacement shakes is the ability to customize them to your liking. In this scene, we will share some tips and ideas for personalizing your shake, including adding fruits, nuts, superfoods, and even experimenting with different liquid bases. Get ready to unleash your creativity. In the final scene, we will hear from vegan shake enthusiasts who have tried and tested various flavors and brands. We will explore their honest reviews, personal recommendations, and even learn some unique ways they incorporate vegan meal replacement shakes into their everyday routines. Prepare to be inspired by their experiences. As we conclude this video, we hope you have gained a deeper insight into the world of vegan meal replacement shakes. Whether you're looking for a convenient meal option, a nutritious post-workout drink, or simply want to explore new flavors, these shakes have got you covered. By incorporating them into your diet, you can enjoy the benefits of a balanced plant-based meal in one delicious drink.